So this is a single video that I'm shooting, and it's a wig without clips. So I'm showing you the grip that it has and the partings that you can do in this. So the best parting is this. And in this, no one will guess that you are wearing a wig. So let's wear this wig without any cuts. So this is the real time that it takes. Okay, so I have not used any extra band in this. Since I have already very heavy hair, I have tucked up in a pony. So this is without my hairline visible. Now what I'll do, I'll mix this with my hairline. I'll take out my hair. So you can also change the parting. This is a free parting wig. It's a 5x5 silk base. And this is only for those who have a good hairline, just like me, and a good amount of baby hairs. Or you can do a center part. You can also set it with a dryer. But if you want a very mixed up hairstyle and that you don't want to show your scalp, this is the best style that you can do. And in this, no line is visible, no scalp is visible, but it is still looking very natural. This is a 5x5 wig with a silk base, and it's a custom made wig. This is designed according to the customer's head size. In this case, this is designed for my head size. So yes, this is without clips. You can move your hands freely, or if you have any more questions, you can ask.